My video guide is about removing the online scam related to the site Hored.live. Hored.live is a deceptive pop-up which now attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It claims to be somehow related to the well-known security application. However, there is no connection between these pop-ups and that well-known security program, so you shouldn't interact with these multiple fake alerts. Don't trust anything that they actually tell you. Such pop-ups may be the result of certain adware on your computer, so first thing we recommend you to do is checking the control panel, and if you find any suspicious programs, get rid of them. I would also recommend that you thoroughly research your computer right now with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.